Hey everyone, I am Anjali and welcome back to my YouTube channel Teen Guru. So today, one minute. हाँ मम्मी, हाँ ब्लू पेन नहीं है, ब्लू पेन लाना है. नहीं ब्लैक पेन है, ब्लू पेन लाना है. ठीक है, बाय. So mummy went for shopping to buy few things and as always she forgot what to bring. So today I am going to do a fun 1 minute. हाँ ग्रीन A4 साइज शीट लानी है, डबल साइड रूल. ठीक है, बाय. Mummy always goes for shopping to buy groceries or stationery. She always forgets what to bring. So I think I have to solve this problem first. Today I thought of doing a fun experiment, but I think I have to do this first. Let's go. So once upon a time I got this board from Bournvita for free. Now it is of no use for me because in schools these type of boards are not allowed now. We have to carry the transparent type of boards. So today I am going to make a magnetic notepad from this board. So this board is very big in size, so I am going to cut it from here. Till here I am going to cut it. I have to take Didi's help because it is very hard to cut. She is cutting with lots of noise. Now I have 2 equal parts of the cardboard with me with the help of my sister. I'm going to keep this part for something else. For now I'm going to use this part. I'm going to make it a whiteboard. For that I need this white chart paper. I'm first cutting it into half or less than that because the cardboard is very small. I will only need this much. To cut it. Now I need to cover this cardboard like this. Now lightly cover notebook. I do not need so much of chart paper, so I am cutting it from here and I will fold it from here. First I am pasting it with sellotape. This will be like a gift for mummy, a surprise when she comes from market. This is how it will look after covering with white chart paper. Now to make it erasable, I am going to use this transparent sheet that we use to cover our school books and notebooks. Now I'm going to draw lines to make divisions. For first I'm going to stick here the sticky note, in which when mummy goes for shopping she will write the things what are needed, and here will be the shopping list that she will write every day what is finishing in kitchen and anything else, and before going to market she will write down those things here, and one more thing I'm going to add here is menu, what I want to eat, because every day mummy asks me what you want to eat, and then there is a huge confusion. Now I'm going to draw the line. Now I'm going to use sketch pen to give it a design. I will also give it a design. For now I'm making lines here. Here is shopping list. Menu. So this is how it will look after designing it. Now I'm going to make some bullets here. I'm not going to number them. I'm just going to make some bullets. Finally, it will look like this. Now I'm going to cover it with this transparent sheet. It opens up like this. So, can't understand how to do this, but now it will open up from here like this. Okay, it's correct. Now it will come in it. Well, I first thought of using tape to stick it, but now I'm thinking it's better idea to separate. For that I again need Didi. Didi, coming. Don't try to do it yourself. You need adult supervision for this. And it's very risky because it needs a lot of pressure and muscles. Okay, I think it's done. Yes, it will look like this after covering it. Now I'm going to stick the notepad that I already had in my cupboard or something. I'll stick it here. Yes. Let's try to write in it like I want to eat biryani today night. So it will write something like this, and it is easily erasable. This is my glass cleaning cloth that is in bulk in my house. My sister also uses it. I also use it. Let's try to remove it, and it is easily erasable. And I had this marker at my home also. Now to make it magnetic, fridge magnetic, I'm going to use magnetic strips. I have this magnetic strip at my home. As I am a craft person, these sort of type of things are easily available at my home. I bought it from nearby stationery store. You can also buy them from Amazon. I will link it below. As me and my sister love to buy stationery things, I think I should do a stationery haul. I think you will love it. And for more crafts like this, check my Instagram account. and I used this magnetic stick before. It is long lasting, but it can't take heavy things. It is less powerful, so you have to stick light things to it. Let's stick it. First I'm going to cut it. It is cuttable by scissors. You have to give it on the four sides of the board to make it stronger. At these sides I am giving smaller pieces to balance it. Now it is ready to stick. Now the marker should also be easily available nearby, so I am also going to stick it to fridge by attaching the magnet to this also. Now I am going to take the size . Stick the magnet to this like this, and it will stick to the fridge like this so that it is easily available. Now this is finally ready. This is time to stick the sticky note here so that she can take it off while going for shopping, and she will not disturb me again while I am shooting. Now I'm going to stick it right here. Now she will write what she wants here, and before going for shopping she will write here and take it off, and here I will write what I want to eat so that she will not disturb me by asking what I want to eat every day. Now it's complete. To see how it looks on the fridge, check my Instagram page. I will surprise my mother with this. I hope she finds it helpful, and tell me in the comment section below if you have any other idea for this notepad. Oh, she's here. I'm going to surprise her. And if you like the video, like, share and subscribe, and follow my Instagram page. I'm going.